IT company Tech Mahindra is on CLSA's radar, where CLSA has come up with a very positive note on the company, where they maintain their buy rating on the stock with a target price of 1300 per share, and that's 24% upside from the current market price, and especially when the stock is already near its all-time high. CLSA highlights that the acquisition has been an integral part of the Tech Mahindra's business model till now, and Tech Mahindra is amongst the most acquisitive Indian IT companies, where the company has spent around 25% of its free cash flow over FY13 and 21 on a total of 26 transactions. So the company has been making a lot of transactions in the past, but now what is different as per CLSA is that the recent management interactions that the brokerage firm has done with the company indicates that the company's approach to M&A has become more structured in the past, and they sense a greater financial discipline, which actually lowers a risk of imprudent transaction and which should lead to more predictable capital allocation to be done by the company going ahead. So all in all, they are finding a change in the strategy of the company, and going ahead they feel that this should help the financials of the company as well, where capital allocation could be better in terms of what the company has been doing in the past. The concurrent work on the restructuring legacy acquisition is also complete, and they estimate it to provide 70 to 80 basis point margin lever over the medium term. So not only the medium term strategy is panning out to be very good for the company, but also in the longer term, this strategy change will help the financials as well as the company overall. And on such positive findings, CLSA is quite positive on the stock. But apart from that, another major factor that is to be kept on radar is the upcoming result of the company. Major IT companies have been coming up with the results. We saw that IT major TCS did came up with results where the results were quite decent, but they were a bit low from what the street was expecting, and because of that we saw some kind of a pressure building on the stock as well. But keep a radar on Tech Mahindra, because the company is expected to come up with its result towards the month end on 29th of July, and we will be keeping a watch on that, on what is the expectation from the company, what is the street expectation, and how the company actually delivers will be a key factor to watch out for. So for now, on today's trade, CLSA is quite positive with a 1300 rupees per share target price, and going ahead we'll keep a watch on how the Tech Mahindra delivers its Q1 FY22 results. So let's keep an eye on Tech Mahindra.